naghahanap ka ng property na malapit sa Manila, malapit rin ito sa Central Business District ng Cavite na pwede mo gawing residential at rental business at under Pag-ibig Finance. Pre-selling low down payment for as low as 5,000 pesos na located lang sa Tansa, Cavite at boundary lamang ito ng General Trias. Kaya naman 15 minutes drive lang ito going to Robinson General Trias at approximately 60 minutes drive going to Manila via Cavite. At malapit din ito sa Open Canal Extension kadugtong ng Danghari going to Alabang at sa ginagawang Cavite Laguna Expressway. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search
We
pad.
have minimum lot size na 44 square meters, kaya naman meron tayong fully covered provision for one carport. Ang developer natin is Charles Builder. Isa sila sa mga nagpro-provide ng affordable housing para sa ating mga kababayan. Na may matibay na gawa, makikita nyo, napakadami nating poste at meron pa tayong biga sa gitna. Meron din tayong service area, pwede mong ilabas ang ating kitchen sink. Upon turnover sa toilet and bath, included dyan ang ating toilet bowl, lavatory at faucet. Dahil tayo ay basic finish turnover. Advantage ito, ikaw magdi-decide kung anong gusto mong ilagay ng design ng tiles, color ng paint, at syempre sukat ng room. Meron tayong floor area na 58 square